Welcome to this Legrand tutorial on setting up your fan controller mechanism. This video will guide you through the process of mobile app configuration. To start, engage with a licensed electrician to perform any electrical works. Once the electrical installation of your fan controller mechanism is complete and power is restored, the fan controller will display a red light. To commence the process of connecting your fan controller to your mobile device, proceed to open the network. If you are using a wall mount gateway, press down on the button of your home and away switch and the LED light will illuminate green. Our switch and gateway kits come in various models to suit your preferences. Shortly after, your gateway light will also illuminate green. If you are using a DIN rail mount gateway, press and hold down on the cogwheel until the light illuminates green. The LED on your fan controller will change from red to green, signifying it has been added to the network. Next, close your network. If you're using a wall mount gateway, perform a brief single press on the button of your home and away switch. Your gateway light will then turn off. If you're using a DIN rail mount gateway, perform a brief single press on the cogwheel and the light will turn off. Once the network is closed, the fan controller LED will turn off. Now that your fan controller is connected to the network, we can proceed with setting it up on your mobile device via the Home Plus Control app. For existing home setups, when you're on the home page, your smart switch will first appear in location Elsewhere. Next, assign your smart switch to the desired room by navigating to Settings, then to Manage My Home. Your smart switch will be located under Unplaced Products, where you can move it to the desired room. When returning to the home page, you can now locate your fan controller in its room. You can now turn your fan on and off, adjust speed, set schedules, and monitor performance all from your mobile device. Your fan controller mechanism is now set up and ready to enhance your smart home experience.